Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in this box. Likely something that was sent as a response to my recent community post for knives that I'm looking for review over the next couple of months. You can check out that post in my community tab. Scroll back just a ways, it's all in bright green. It says February 2022, even though now it's March. Check that out, see if there's something on the list I'm looking for. Yes, you'll get your knives back after I'm done. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's see what we've got here. There we go. Best way to get into the box there. Oh, yeah, we're right there. Oh, all right. We got something flashy here. And as per usual, darn it, there we go. We have a note. Let's open it up, see what we've got. One moment. One moment. MC, enclosed is my... Oh, yes, good. Yes, I look forward to your thoughts and opinions on this knife. Feel free to pocket and use for normal daily carry. For normal daily tasks to prepare for your review. Thank you very much. I have Instagram, but just use it to follow the knife and motorcycle community, so no IG or YouTube channel to plug. It would be cool if you would just thank my future wife, Michelle, for living on Ramon so I can collect knives. Just that the Ramon sheets doesn't complain and actually encourages my knife collecting / hoarding. Thank you for your contribution to the knife community. I look forward to your daily YouTube posts. Awesome. All right. Thank you very much, Robert. I appreciate that. Let's go ahead and find out what we've got in here. Well, I know. You guys don't. Yeah. I've been wanting to look at this for a while. I honestly cannot remember if this knife is still available or not. I will link it right down in the description. Bless it. All things good in this world. Thank you. This is a Reate T3000. I think, yeah, I recognize the design. This is a very distinct sort of design. And there's a bigger guy, right? And this has been around, I mean, the design has been around for a bit. It's just something that I personally have never handled. I've always thought it looked really cool. And here's the interesting thing. It looks like an integral, but it's actually seam construction. It's just very, very well done to the point where the entire frame gives off that impression. Nice milled titanium clip. We have a sub frame lock, right? Some people might call it a bolster frame. It's kind of just like a sub frame lock underneath carbon fiber overlays. M390 Tanto. It's a recurve Tanto. Interesting. I didn't know that. I think there's a bigger guy and a smaller guy. I'll link them down below either way so you guys can check them out. And if I don't know if the bigger guy is actually the same model but bigger, or if it's like a totally different model and just has the same design elements as we see sometimes. Really nice. Very Reate, which is a way that people use to pronounce Reate. It's small. I'm only getting like it's like 3.5 fingers. But the design is cool and the action is wonderful. No double clutch, anything like that. Super little bit of a wiggle shut action, right? But definitely nice and consistent. We also have garage stops, which I'm seeing right here. Yeah, look at there. Get a little peekaroo at them as they go by. Pretty cool. Nice blades. Definitely. Just something that I wanted. I've been wanting to check this knife out on the channel for a while. Is this why does it say the knife? He must have got this from the knife trigger. I'm used to unboxing these like, you know, by the way, this is not a review. Unboxing and first impressions, if you're still here. The full review will come down the road after I've had a chance to experience it. I'm used to unboxing these, like when I see Knife Joker on the front, it's because it's an exclusive. Reate, I don't know if they've always done this, but the extra hardware thing is always nice. Other knife companies, up-and-comers, include additional hardware, right? Do that. People will appreciate it, especially people who are new to your brand. Don't believe me? I guarantee you'll hear it echoed down in the description. People like extra hardware. Me personally, you know, going through my knife journey, I've stripped quite a few screws, and it's frustrating especially when you got to reach out and you're like, hey, can I get a screw? And it's like it takes a week for a response, and then it takes like 14 weeks to get a screw, right? So sending extra hardware, I think, can alleviate headaches on both ends, and I'm really happy that Reate is doing it. Okay, enough of that. This seems like a nice knife, fit and finish, all that stuff seems to be on point. I will carry this. It's a little bit small for my taste, and I gotta be honest with you, the flipper tab is a little bit pokey, a little bit. It's just it's the angle, right? It's like, it's a light switchy sort of flipper tab, but because of the angle, you kind of have to, you know, kind of set the meat of your finger into that peak right there to get it to flip, but not the worst that I've ever felt. Anyways, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. Thanks again to the gentleman who sent this in for me to review. If you enjoyed the video today, oops, wait, I'm sorry. Please, can't forget this. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.